So now we are discussing reproduction of fungi. So there are three methods: vegetative, asexual and sexual. Vegetative by means of fragmentation, fission and budding. So now, what is the difference between fragmentation and fission? In case of fragmentation, the organism is multicellular, and in case of fission, the organism is unicellular. And by fragmentation, the organism divides into various fragments, and each fragment develops into new individuals. In case of fission, the unicellular organism divides into two daughter cells. Okay. Now, asexual reproduction by spores, because we know spores are the agent of asexual reproduction. Sporangiospores, aplanospores, zoospores, conidia by these spores. Okay. So, what is aplanospores? That is the non-motile sporangiospores, and the motile sporangiospores are called zoospores. And these zoospores have no cell wall; they are naked. Okay. And what is conidia? Conidia are also fungal pores that is produced by asexual reproduction, okay, in conidiophore. Okay. Now, sexual reproduction by means of oospores, ascospores and basidiospores. Okay. So now, sexual reproduction. The sexual cycle involves the following three steps: fusion of protoplasm between two motile or non-motile gametes called plasmogamy. Okay, so this is fusion of protoplasms. That is the first step, we called plasmogamy. Second, fusion of two nuclei called karyogamy. Karyo means nucleus. Okay. Now third, meiosis in zygote resulting in haploid spores. So fungi, the generation is haploid. So here, after formation of zygote, there is meiosis, but in case of human, that is diploid generation, they have meiosis before zygote. Okay, that is the difference. When a fungus reproduces sexually, two haploid hypha of compatible mating types come together and fuse. Compatible means able. Okay, they are able to perform mating. Okay. In some fungi, fusion of two haploid cells immediately results in diploid cells. Okay. However, in other fungi like Axomycetes and Basidiomycetes, an intervening dikaryotic stage, that is not immediately diploid cells, but before coming to diploid cells, there are a stage, that is dikaryotic stage, that is n plus n, two nuclei per cells. Okay, they are not fused now, but dikaryotic, that means two nuclei. Such a condition called a dikaryon. Okay, that means containing two nuclei. Di means two. And the phase is called dikaryophase of fungus. Later, parental nuclei fuse and cells become diploid. Okay, parental nuclei fuse. N, that is two nuclei per cell, now they are fused and become diploid. Okay. And after that, there are fruiting bodies where reduction division occurs and producing form. Okay. Producing spores. That is haploid generation. Okay. Now table classification of fungi. So this table is very important, you know, and you just remember this table, that is enough. I will discuss in details in next part. Okay, so now there are 4 types of fungus. Okay, Phycomycetes, Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes and Deuteromycetes. So now common name: algal fungi, sac fungi, club fungi and fungi imperfecti, because there is absence of sexual reproduction. Now mycelium, aseptate, so this is cynocytic, more than one nuclei. Okay, this is septate and branched, this is septate and branched. Secondary mycelium is dikaryotic. Just remember this table. Okay, I will discuss later in details. And that is septate and branched. So only this is aseptate. Okay, all other are septate. Sexual reproduction: isogamy, oogamy. Iso means similar in size, gamete size similar, and iso means dissimilar gamete size, and oogamy means female non-motile large gamete fusion with motile small male gamete. Okay, here iso or anisogamy, ascospores formed in ascus endogenously. Here is somatogamy, basidiospores formed on stegmata, that is exogenously. And here sexual reproduction is absent or not known. Now fruiting body, it produces zygospores. Here fruiting body is ascocarp, here basidiocarp, and here fruiting body is absent in case of Deuteromycetes. Now examples: Phycomycetes, example Mucor, Rhizopas, Albuco. Ascomycetes, examples Penicillium, Saccharomyces. Basidiomycetes, example Agaricus, Ustulego, Puccinia. Ustulego, Puccinia, these are parasitic fungus. And Deuteromycetes, example Coletricum and Trichoderma. Okay, just remember this table. I will discuss in details next part. Okay, thank you.